Hi everyone, my name is Isabel Wright, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create your profile on Handshake. So when you first log in to Handshake, this will be your homepage. Click on the right side where it has your initials and click on My Profile. From there, you can upload your resume, add a photo, type in text about your journey, what you're passionate about, what you're looking for on Handshake, your experiences and skills. I recommend adding your work experiences, volunteer organizations, as well as editing your profile to make it visible to employers once you're ready to. The main benefit for making your profile visible to employers is that once it is complete, employers can look at your profile, look at your interests and your work experiences, past and present, and think of an opportunity that perhaps might align with your interests and proactively reach out to you via Handshake. You can add your interests here. You can edit it. Let's just say you add your interests now and down the line, you decide that you want to make a career pivot or you're interested in other things. You can edit that here as well. And then you can also add skills and upload additional documents, perhaps cover letters here. So I highly recommend you spend some time to complete your profiles. Take a look at this link as well, talking about, again, benefits of completing your profile on Handshake, and then walking you through these types of areas that you can fill out and complete. This link can also be found on our resource library, which is accessed through Career Center, Resources, and then scrolling all the way down to our Handshake guides here. You can see a bunch of different links on how to edit documents, upload, like I mentioned, completing your profile, scheduling an appointment with us, and things of that nature. If you have any questions, please let us know. We're here to help, and we look forward to meeting with you soon. All right, take care.